Hey guys, Mark here with Ag Drone Concepts, and I've got the family here. I'm really excited. I was one of the recipients that were chosen for the Spray Drone Industry Advancement Initiative, and as you can see, the EA Vision J150 just got delivered, and I'm really excited to open this up and show you guys what we got. All right, let's get started.
Yay!
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 Super exciting. It's like Christmas. It's like Daddy got a big Christmas present.
That's a big box.
Huge box.
Yeah, look how much dollars it is. That's so much dollars.
So much dollars. Want to pull all this off? Nice. So it looks like we've got the batteries here, battery charger, and then inside's probably the drone. So we'll just take these off. Batteries. You can see the drone already?
Yeah.
What do you got, X-ray vision? You see photos of the drone on the side? Nice box, nice packaging. So, looks good. Here's the charger for these batteries. All right, let's check it out.
Can I pull with you?
Yeah, pull that, babe. Here, pull this one. Pull that one.
I'll pull all of them.
Pull them, babe.
Pull it time. Pull it time. Pull it time.
Got the J150 new user guide. Gonna need this for sure. All right. Man, this is huge.
Dad, can I play with this ball? Dad, can
This looks like congratulations on beginning your first flight journey. To ensure a safe operation, please scan the QR code above to learn essential techniques. We'll save that. Nice. Holy smoke.
Holy smoke!
Packaging is unreal on this. Love that. Holy smokes, look at this puppy. Summer, look at this thing. What does this look like? It's the J150. That is awesome. Beautiful drone. Brand new. Still in the box.
Okay.
Super excited. Well, we'll probably gonna try and fly this today and mess around with it, see what we can do with it, and start learning, start practicing, start getting comfortable, and hopefully we'll show you guys some applications here. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.